All right, we had some late day storms yesterday that reached severe limits in parts of the region, and today we could see another round of severe storms, including here within the borders of Connecticut. But right now it's just some areas of light rain. We've got early warning pinpoint Dopplers zoomed in to some light shower activity moving through the Route 8 corridor over Torrington right now. Also, there are some showers just offshore from New Haven there on the shoreline throughout New Haven County, moving toward the east and northeast. So say Guilford, Madison, Clinton eventually may see a little light rain, but the main event comes a few hours from now. Something we're also tracking, of course, today, the heat and the humidity. As of yesterday, our third heat wave of the year went into day number 5. And today, if we're able to get to 90 at Bradley International, we'll go into day number 6. And currently, we're 5 degrees away. But given the cloud cover that we have and those spotty showers, may struggle to reach the 90-degree mark. Of course, we'll keep you updated on Eyewitness News later today, starting at 4 o'clock. Along the shoreline, we're between, say, 80 and 83 currently. So it's warm. It's very muggy. Dew point values in the low and mid 70s statewide. So heat index values this afternoon likely reaching or well exceeding the 90-degree mark, while the actual air temperature may not make it there. So our right-hand view from our capital city showing more clouds and sun from that vantage point. A similar scene coming in from New Haven and as well from southeastern Connecticut with our view there in New London. So we're clearly in the warm sector with the warm front that's now up across northern New England and well in advance of a cold front that's moving through the eastern Great Lakes. Thunderstorms become more numerous this afternoon. They'll be developing and moving into southern New England. In fact, you can see that really soupy air mass that we have, dew point values region-wide in the low and mid-70s. So a lot of moisture for these storms to work with, plenty of instability with that approaching cold front. So as we check things out with regard to the Storm Prediction Center, of course, we do have all of Connecticut in the shade of yellow, which is a notch above the green, indicating the likelihood for storms that could be strong, possibly severe this afternoon. The greatest threats will be straight line damaging wind, perhaps some hail, and with any thunderstorm, of course, lightning is a concern, but also because we've got so much moisture in the atmosphere, some heavy rain could lead to some poor drainage flooding. So there's a situation, again, how things really light up as we head toward and through the evening commute time. And then as we head toward, say, 11 o'clock and points thereafter, any storms should really weaken and diminish. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, morning clouds give way to some afternoon clearing. I think the chance for showers tomorrow is pretty slim. It's going to be a primarily dry end to the week. Also want to bring you up to date with regard to developments in the tropics. Of course, we're tracking Gonzalo that is moving westward toward the southern Leeward Islands, but a little bit closer to home in the Gulf of Mexico. We have tropical depression number 8 that eventually, say tomorrow night into early Saturday, could bring drenching rains to parts of the Texas coastline and around the Corpus Christi area. So this storm could strengthen to tropical storm status. When it does so, it will take on the name Hannah. Back here in Connecticut, after tomorrow with highs in the upper 80s with slightly lower humidity, again just a slight chance for a shower. The weekend looks dry and also trending hotter. Low 90s on Saturday, a couple degrees warmer on Sunday with an increase in humidity over the second half of the weekend. And after today, our next real chance for storms comes perhaps Monday into Tuesday of next week. For shoreline highs this weekend, 87 on Saturday, then 88 and muggier on Sunday.